Happy Monday, traders. Thor Young with Market Alchemists coming to you with another trading recap. Want to talk to you a little bit about my trading day today and what I've had going on today. I did try a long here on the ES, and this is the trade I'd really like to highlight for you and talk about. So when we talk about the ES, one of the things that's important to recognize is that most traders will often try and reverse what are otherwise strong tickers when there's really no sign of reversing. And this is one of the reasons why the Camarilla Pivots that I utilize, and the indicator you're seeing here is the Camarilla Pivot Plays indicator. This is one of the reasons why this indicator is so useful, because it can kind of keep you in tune with this. So ES has a very high rate of running away from, or at least not closing its gaps. It's only about a 50% chance that this closes its gap, which is it's after it closes on Friday and then reopens on Sunday evening, the chances it fills that gap. It's about 50-50 if it's gapped up. And because of that, ES for me was more of a long. I felt YM was a short. I actually tried to trade on YM as well, which I got stopped out on my first try and then got a decent, or in a decent move on it now to the downside. But on ES, this one was very strong. And as you can see here, we're going to kind of pair our indicators together. We have the Buying and Selling Detector. We have the Camarilla Pivot Plays. So you can see at the open, or leading into the open, we had a really strong sell, and then we opened with a rally off of that bid, and we went into buying. Now the Buying and Selling Detector will show you that we exhausted our sell by breaking the lower lines, and then we went into heavy buying, consolidated, and then just started steadily buying, which is what we've been doing ever since. We really don't have any signal here to get out. So right now we're a clean breakout. On the higher narrow range, we want to play away from the middle, right? If you also look here, we've had a gap and we've been rallying very strongly into an area of what we would consider to be relatively low value. So if we accept this value high, which we did, there's reason to believe now that the ES is going to attempt to transition back at least towards this consolidatory high here, but maybe even move all the way back to all-time highs. Right? The manufacturing numbers came out today. Those manufacturing numbers were bullish and not too bullish, right? Sometimes with the manufacturing numbers, if they come out too high, this suggests an inflationary increase and that'll spook everybody. But right now, the manufacturing numbers are out, and the I forget his name actually, it's like Spencer or something like that, put together the manufacturing numbers, came out, and his commentary was that as of right now, all the manufacturing data supports to a strong economy with growth, and he doesn't see any major issues. So this brought in some more additional buying in today as people are buying the futures, expecting the market to go higher. So we've been waiting for quite a while, and we've had a lot of opportunities for this market to sell. And right now, that paired with more peace talks between the U.S. administration and Iran, this brings more optimism into the market than we've had. So right now I'm long ES. I risked about, I'd say I risked about $1,500 in on this trade. I'm up about $2,000 now, right? So far I'm up about 1 to 1. I'm going to go for this level up here. H6 is where my target is. Since we're in transition, there's no reason we should have a deep pullback. So if we do have a deep pullback, I'm going to go ahead and get out if we break structure to the downside. And that'll be it. So all these indicators that you're seeing on your screen are all put together by the team here at Market Alchemists. If you're interested in subscribing to them on TradingView, you can go to www.marketalchemist.org. If you're looking to learn from me or Dr. V, or schedule one-on-ones with us or anything like that, you can do that right here. If you have any questions, feel free to comment, and I would appreciate likes, subscribes, and shares. I hope you all have a great day. I hope you enjoyed this recap, and as always, keep it green. Talk to you soon.